become an Android application developer in 7 steps. So, video becoming an app and game developer tester. Are you interested in a career as an app and a game developer tester, but are not sure how to start preparing for it? We have you covered. Android is a common operating system for mobile phones in the US. If you are interested in learning how to develop mobile applications, you might consider finding a position as an Android developer. By learning relevant technical skills, you can increase your chances of finding success in this career path. In this article, we will explain what an Android application developer is, explore their responsibilities, discuss steps to become this type of professional, provide salary and career outlook information, and describe a few steps types of positions for someone with this skill set. Let's talk about that. What is an Android application developer? An Android application developer is a software engineer who designs and creates programs for the Android operating system, which Google produces. These professionals may work as freelancers or find employment in a technology based company. When working for clients, Android developers design applications that meet certain specifications. Many self employed Android developers focus on developing their own programs for online mobile application stores. Developers working for a company instead typically focus on developing its application, updating it according to a business changing needs. What does Android application developer do? Android application developers program using a specific coding language and specialized software. They also design how a program looks by using specialized creative skills. Here are some examples of an Android application developer's daily duties. Conceptualizing apps. Developers often have to be creative to design apps that address a company or client's specifications. They often spend each day strategizing different ways to incorporate client or company requirements and researching similar programs to find inspiration for new ideas. Working with their teams. When working on large scale projects, most developers work as members or of a large team, meeting with their department regularly and developing positive relationship is an important aspect of developing apps, as this practice can help create a cohesive product. Meeting with clients. Many Android developers meet with clients to review their requirements for a software program. This practice allows them to better understand a client's need or determine any issues in the specific specifications that may cause that any issues in the specification that may cause challenges during the development process. The next one is fixing bugs. This user experience errors while using an Android application. Developer typically find bugs in the software's code and resolve them using specialized tools. As a result, they can update these programs regularly and better ensure they can function long term. How to become an Android application developer? To become an Android developer, it's helpful to develop a variety of technical skills and gain relevant professional experience. Follow these steps to become an Android application developer. First one is learn to program software applications. Before learning how to program Android applications, study the basic fundamentals of writing in a coding language. Android developers typically use either Java or Kotlin to create mobile apps. So studying these languages may increase the number of job opportunities you can receive in the future. It may be helpful to identify what type of medium can best help you learn skills in programming. For example, you can either complete a certification course online or attend a 4-year college program to develop more comprehensive knowledge. Second one is learn to use Android Studio. Android Studio is Microsoft's free software development program, and it allows you to create applications that function correctly on Android devices. It also allows you to save multiple projects so you can switch between files more easily. Consider reading or watching tutorials online to learn the key functions of this program, plus how to submit your final project to Microsoft's online store. You can also study how to incorporate a coding language when developing your own application. Third one, study the essential parts of Android application. Understanding what a typical Android app looks like can help you better understand strategies for creating your own. It can also allow you to learn what features a program requires to be compatible with this type of operating system. Consider learning these requirements through an online course or tutorial. Essential parts of an Android application typically includes its user interface (UI), coding language and ways it interacts with a particular server. 4.1 is explore UI design possibilities. UI design involves creating the visual elements of an application plus buttons that allow individuals to complete different tasks like checking an email inbox, understanding the fundamentals of UI.